what's up, family? You know the vibe, we go crazy. God bless you, stay happy. Join the TNS family. What's up, family? You know the vibe, we go crazy. So come along and join the family.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel.
It's your boy Tuxx.
It's your fave girl Sera, and today it is a beautiful blue sky. It is a beautiful blessed bro, why do I feel like I'm letting my song into the camera? Okay,
family, so probably guessed it by now. It is the morning time. Bed here. Not so much bed here.
No, honey, it is. You're being nice.
Oh, but yeah, anyways, we're gonna try and get a little session before we go and celebrate Lanny's birthday.
Oh, we also joined in to our church service, so don't worry, we made sure we went to church this morning before we started our workout. We actually joined in with my sister's church in New Zealand. They are from the Full Gospel side, and they're actually on. It's the ending song.
Gotta love that.
Get us sass. Sissy's on that soprano.
Shaky little.
So yeah, fam, we're gonna get into this workout. Please, if you're new to our channel and you want to be a part of the TNS family, it's a simple click down below, subscribe to us and give us a thumbs up.
Alright family, so that's enough talking. We're going to get into this workout because we're quite squashed with time. So we're going to have a little, what do you call that thing? Time lapse kind of
time lapse
thing of our little world, and it's going to start at 3, 2, 1.
What's up fam? So we are currently here at Costco. We had to come and grab a few things before we head over to mum and dad's, but it's so packed in here. Pretty cray-cray. We're just looking for Tuxx. Kind of lost him somewhere. Where is he? Gotta look. Got him! Okay, so he's found something. What is it?
T-shirt.
Okay. For how much?
20. I'm kind of pushing the tag here. But
wait. Honey, why are you getting a medium? You're a double X extra small.
Oh, what?
Okay, let's go.
And it goes a little something like
I think she's asking Christians.
What is Lanston?
What does he like? Whoever gets to indulge in some of this. Some of this.
Yeah, what's Lanston's favorite toy? Okay guys, we're just entertaining the kids. You know.
Where are you going, TJ? Where are you going? Oh.
This one or this one?
Which one, TJ? Yes. Get it, get it, get it.
Win a question. Go sit down.
Daya's, she's over the line.
Go sit down.
She's out the gate.
Close the window, Butty. Butty, can you close this window?
Okay. Just cut a cake. Hey, Auntie TJ.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lanston. Happy birthday to you. Yamanuia loa sofana. Yamanuia loa sofana. Yamanuia loa sofana. Yamanuia lea tua. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! One for Jesus. Hip hip. Hooray! And you play this one. TJ, you play this one. Go, Lanny.
Go, go,
Go, go, go, go.
Go, Lanston. Go, Lanston.
Just finished. The kids are going cray cray on the tram. Adaya! The genge!
So we're just waiting for Lanny to come in and see his surprise, see all his presents. So we're hoping to catch his reaction with my man Tana. Oh, make a gap for Tana again. Yes, my man. See,
Have you guys on the table to eat your cake?
and hopefully he's like just.
Whoa! On the other side.
Let's go. Is he outside? Bye-bye.
Yeah, I can bring it. Hold on, Dad. 1, 2, 3. Surprise! Guess your present. Look, that's your present. Surprise!
Not a good reaction. Good reaction.
What goes on?
Go, Lenny, go!
Rip it open. Okay,
Let it rip.
show him.
Ooh.
Go, Lenny!
Good job. Good job, Lenny. Oh, look.
Okay, guys, have some cake.
Yum. Money. Oh. Wow. It's a party.
Let's say thank you, Uncle.
Papai ini Indonesia Indonesia mafuta mafu ile jasfarna wala tali ya lens Indonesia atualan tur ya papai le fomelangan le tua ya mau biala tali ile dan total sana oli ngalawa fu ile ye peranga pamangyang ye lang leo ngala pupuing mesel fa malong ngale tua yang la tali la forma tele le tua. Mas se foi a de tua fine malainga nei kleno ya matoma fita nia saia ia pele lo famila malia le tua a tato ia ile ni fa mai go va fati e tato ia o vina le vai foi le tua fa mani tele la le tua nei o ainga uma o so to fa fine ai ni sila ya ni sa mo ya me se foi nei Australia ya famanyanga le tua ya angalele tua ni va yaso malfatu mo le tausan ke manuteleina famania soifua amen.
Happy birthday, Lanston. We love you so much love and kisses from your family in Craigieburn. We really hope you enjoy your isolation birthday and God bless you, baby. Mwah.
Bye. Yeah. Okay, family, we hope you guys enjoyed our little ISO birthday for our baby boy Lanny. He turned 3 today and we're so proud of the boy that he has become. Lanston, Lanny, look at auntie. Lanston, look at auntie. Did you have so much fun today?
Yeah.
That is so awesome. What should everyone do? Yeah, you heard it here first.
Yeah, it was a great day seeing our family and seeing how much Lanston has grown up. Like opening his presents, he's just like, thank you so much.
He was definitely a really grateful little boy today.
Very well, man.
Also, we just can't believe that this little boy, it felt like we just threw his first birthday like a few months ago. He's grown up so much.
If you haven't seen Lanston's first birthday, we'll leave the link in the description. You go and have a watch. But yeah, family, it's coming to the end of the night. The party's about to finish. Spider-Man is getting tired, and we're about to head off home.
Yes, we are going home now. So if anyone is new to this channel, what should they do, baby?
Go down, click that red button that says subscribe, fam.
Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Mwah.
Ela veio toda leite, uma bateria lá.
Bye, family. Love you. Bye, Mater.